Okay, so we go over a question on metals, which is in chemistry. Okay, so the statement, the question reads, one major use of iron in everyday life is in making alloys. And the first question says, describe the structure of an alloy and draw a diagram to illustrate your answer. Second, give two reasons why iron is alloyed. Third, name two alloys of iron and state their uses. Four, give one use of iron other than making alloys. Okay, so the description of an alloy, I guess we just have to take the definition approach. And we can simply say it's a combination of two or more metals. When you get two or more metals together, you put them together, what you're going to get is an alloy. Or it's a combination of a metal and a non-metallic element. Okay, so it can either be a metal and a metal, a non-metal and a metal. That's what you're going to get is an alloy. Then a diagram to help us understand this is the picture I'd want you to have is this. It's more like let's say we have these particles of a certain element which is part of that alloy. Let's say a metal. Then on a different layer we have something different. We have something different. Something different like that. You can have a good number of them. So this is the picture that I would like us to have for us to understand what an alloy is, because we're able to see okay, of course I've not drawn them in terms of like different sizes, but the colors, from the colors we're able to see okay, these are different, and that's where we're able to understand the combination of two or more in terms of either metals with metals or combination of metals with non-metallic elements. So this is the picture that you're supposed to have in terms of the structure. You don't need something too complex. Just having that to be able to give us an understanding of what an alloy is in terms of a picture. Okay, so we need to give two reasons why iron is alloyed. So iron is alloyed to give strength as well as to give resistance to corrosion, okay, as well as in terms of conductivity um, in respect to either thermal or electrical. Okay, so the third question says name two alloys of iron and state their uses. So I would like to use steel, okay, as well as stainless steel. Okay, so the use of firstly steel is used in making car parts or cars, but not all components of cars. Of course, we all understand there are just some parts of cars that are used by that are made using steel, as well as in making or in refrigerators. Okay, refrigerators. Then for uh, stainless steel is used to make kitchen sinks, as well as surgical tools. If you've visited the theater before, I believe you are familiar with these surgical tools. Okay, so the fourth question reads, give one use of iron other than making alloys. So instead of making alloys, apart from making alloys, what other use of iron can we name? Of course, can be machine parts, hand tools, equipments. So let me just list them. I'm talking about machine parts. Okay, machine parts, hand tools. We are familiar with this. Hand tools or any other equipment, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how we go about answering that question that we had on metals. Thank you very much for watching.